Team Jolly, ano masarap gawin after GMA Gala?
What is up, Pepsters? This is Pep Donjo, and tonight, nandito tayo sa GMA Gala 2025. And for this episode of Pep Asks, tatanungin natin ang inyong favorite personalities kung anong masarap gawin after the event. Tara, let's go!
Ay, syempre, matulog at kumain at maligo.
Yes, go. You deserve.
I love that question.
Kat, ano masarap gawin after GMA Gala?
Syempre, masarap tanggalin yung sapatos. Like now, oh wait.
Yeah.
Pwede, akin na yung chinelas natin. After GMA Gala, ito yung, ito yung masarap gawin, o, di ba? Nasakata lang pa ako, di ba? Yun talaga po, literal. Tapos, magpahinga na sa room.
Yeah. Deserve mo. Bye!
After the gala, unlock a new fantasy.
Yes.
Ulog, maghubad ng damit dahil hindi nyo alam kung gaano kabigat tong napaganda kong gown. Ang tawag dito tis ganda at syempre gawa to ni Sir Leo Almodal, maghubad na kaagad ng gown at mag-relax. Thank you so much.
Ano masarap gawin? Siyempre mag-party-party pero mag-base muna kasi pag ganito yung outfit mo, hindi ka makaka-party na maayos. Di ba, Pipita?
Yes, syempre makipagchikahan, mingle-mingle, gano'n.
Lady in red.
Enjoy! Event.
Matulog. Magtanggal ng sapatos at matulog. Good night.
Mag-inom. Mag-inom talaga.
Okay. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Drink moderately.
Kumain!
Marami kasi medyo
Unlimited.
matagal nag-diet.
Eat well, eat well.
And that's it, Pepsters! Comment down the question you want us to ask and kung para kanino. Who knows, baka sila na ang next nyong mapanood sa Pep Asks.